Hi everyone, you're watching the virtual Amicus and I'm Midha. Well, it's a matter of great honor for me to introduce to you all our speaker, our expert for today's session. Well, today we are joined by Honorable Mr. Justice J.R. Midha sir. And just to give you all a brief introduction about Amicus for today's session, sir has served as a judge of Hon'ble Delhi High Court for more than 13 years. As a judge, he presided over several jurisdictions, including judge in charge of original side of Hon'ble Delhi High Court. Sir has also headed a division bench hearing criminal appeals involving life and death sentence references. Sir has also served as the chairperson of Delhi International Arbitration Center, which is DIAC, and during his tenure, Sir has taken various new initiatives that were successfully undertaken. Sir has also served as a chairperson of Judicial Education Committee of Hon'ble Delhi High Court and has supervised the training of judges at the Delhi Judicial Academy. Sir has also served as a member of the advisory board of COFPOSA. As a judge, Sir has actively initiated judicial reforms in various jurisdictions. Sir has also taught at Campus Law Center, Faculty Floor, Delhi University from 1989 to 1992 and has taught various subjects. Sir has also written books, namely Amendments to Code of Civil Procedure in 2002, Motor Accidents Claim Referencer, first edition in 2011, and Motor Accidents Claim Referencer, second edition in 2012. So as you can see, Sir has adorned different hats and done it to perfection. Thank you so much, sir. It's a matter of great honor for me to have you over for a session on the virtual Amicus, and the topic for today's session being achieving excellence in the legal profession. And there could not have been a better speaker than you, sir. Is there anything that you wish to say before we can start with our segment?
Thank you, Mr. Loda. You've asked a very good question, and it is very important for the young lawyers who are entering the profession. You see, my view is that most important skill of a successful lawyer is the communication skill. And communication skill has many facets. First is art of listening. Second is art of thinking before speaking. Third is art of speaking. And then speaking with emotions. So all these qualities are required by a successful lawyer. Second important skill of a successful lawyer is the rational thinking, logical thinking. So even after attaining perfection in the fundamentals of law and commanding the facts of each case, the lawyer has to present this case in a rational manner which convinces the prudent man to agree with him. And coupled with communication skills and some dramatics, he can become a successful lawyer. But unfortunately, in our legal system, we do not train the law students either with communication skills or with rational thinking. And today the successful lawyers are those who inherently had that skill. But every law student does not get the opportunity of acquiring that skill during his legal education. So therefore my view is that the legal education should be strengthened to incorporate communication skill, rational thinking and dramatics, apart from teaching the law with clarity on fundamentals of law. And those students have already passed out. My advice to them would be to train themselves and acquire the skills of communication skill and rational thinking so that they are better equipped to attain perfection in legal profession. Thank you very much.
Well, we all are in a profession of persuasion, so it is very important to nurture, to cultivate our good communication skills because they play a pivotal role. Thank you so much, sir, for your valuable insights. I'm sure it will benefit all our viewers who are watching this. To all the viewers who are watching, our email is mentioned on the channel. Feel free to write to us. It was an absolute honor recording this session. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, Mr. Loda.